Hey Texas, did you know that there are several options about how to create a custom email signature within CBDesk? Let's get started. You'll need to log into mycbdesk.com. At the top of the screen, you will see a search bar in which you will need to type in email signature. There are several existing options for you to choose from. The top one is an email signature tutorial, which is a Word document that you can work off of, download, and customize to meet your requests. If you are an awards agent or a global luxury agent, there are 2 additional templates for you to choose from. Lastly, if you are looking for a paid-for service, want to have a little bit more customization and zing to it, I would strongly encourage you browse through the Design Concierge email signature options. This will include an FAQ, such as what is an email signature, how much does an email signature cost, and how and where you can purchase these options. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your staff, manager, or field marketing team for support. Talk to you soon, Texas.